Hey, welcome to another episode of Get Your Eat On with Lady C. And in this episode, it's all about getting that frozen ground beef ready for preparation so you can put it in a dish. On my Hamilton Beach microwave, I selected time defrost and entered 500, which gave me 5 minutes. Now, everybody's microwave is different, and the amount of time you need is also going to depend on the size of your package of meat. So don't just put 5 minutes on the microwave and walk away. Check your meat and see what it's doing. After my first 5 minutes, the ground beef had started to thaw, but it still wasn't soft enough for me to work with. So I put it back in and used time defrost for another 5 minutes. For this particular pack of ground beef, using my microwave, I ended up defrosting it for about 10 minutes total. But the goal here is not to completely thaw or cook the meat in the microwave. I'm just trying to get it soft enough to start working with. You can see me pressing my finger into the package here. See how it's starting to soften up? That's what I'm looking for. Once I get it to this point, I can move it over to the skillet and continue working with it there. Now, once the pan heats up, the meat will start cooking and thawing at the same time. And as the outside softens, I just take my spoon and start scraping away the meat that's ready to come off. Then turn it over, rinse, and repeat. Now, you don't have to fight with it. Just let the heat do its job. Check this out, yo. Look at how this meat is cooperating. The meat got the assignment. I mean, yes, it certainly did get the memo. It knows exactly what to do. So now, as more of it thaws, keep breaking it into smaller pieces until all of your ground beef is loose and completely browned. If you have a lot of grease in the pan, go ahead and drain that off before you continue with your recipe. And that's it. So the next time you forget to thaw the ground beef, don't panic. Don't think that you automatically have to change dinner plans. Partially thaw it, put it in the pan, work it as it cooks, and let that meat do what it was assigned to do. And now I'm signing off so that you can get your eat on. And I'll see you in the next one.